Music. Welcome to this Credit Help Center review. I'll cover its features, who it's for, and my experience using it. Want to learn more? Service links are in the description. Credit Help Center is a professional credit repair service for anyone looking to boost their credit score, fix credit report errors, and build a stronger financial profile. It's especially helpful if you're dealing with collections, charge-offs, late payments, or other negative marks impacting your financial goals. A standout feature is its thorough credit evaluation. Upon sign-up, they review your reports from all three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, to pinpoint errors, outdated information, and unfair reporting. They use customized dispute strategies, directly challenging inaccurate items with bureaus and creditors. Their data-driven approach ensures disputes are handled efficiently and legally. They also offer valuable educational resources. Credit Help Center doesn't just repair your credit, it teaches you how credit works and how to build better financial habits, from budgeting to maintaining a positive credit history. This focus on empowerment is a major plus. You get real-time progress tracking, monitoring dispute status, removed items, and score improvements, giving you peace of mind. With competitive pricing and flexible plans, Credit Help Center is perfect for anyone seeking professional credit repair affordably. It's particularly valuable if you're planning big financial milestones like buying a home, securing a loan, or lowering interest rates. Ready to take control of your credit? Check out the links in the description to learn more and start your journey to financial freedom.